Hello friends, is your car acting up with rough idling, sudden power loss, or even refusing to start? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0605, then your car's PCM may have a problem with its ROM. This can lead to serious performance issues and even prevent your car from running properly. In this video, I'll explain what P0605 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0605? The P0605 code stands for Internal Control Module Read-Only Memory, ROM, error. The PCM is the car's brain, controlling fuel injection, ignition timing, and many other functions. If the ROM inside the PCM is corrupted or damaged, the car may struggle to operate correctly. Common symptoms of P0605: check engine light turns on hard starting or no start. Rough idling and misfires, loss of acceleration and poor throttle response, transmission shifting issues, engine stalling while driving. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0605, you need to check these components. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, typically found in the engine bay, mounted on the firewall, under the dashboard, or near the passenger side footwell. The PCM stores the car's software and ROM data. PCM wiring and connectors location. The wiring harness runs from the PCM to different engine components. Loose or corroded connectors can cause ROM errors. Battery and alternator location. The battery is in the engine bay, or trunk in some vehicles, while the alternator is near the engine. Unstable voltage can corrupt PCM memory. obd2, port for PCM diagnostics. Location. Under the dashboard, near the driver's side. This is where you scan for errors and reprogram the PCM. Tip: if you recently had a battery replacement, a failed PCM update, or an electrical short, these could trigger P0605. Common causes of P0605. 1. Software corruption in the PCM. A failed update can cause ROM issues. 2. Electrical issues or voltage surges. Unstable power can damage PCM memory. 3. Faulty or damaged PCM. The ROM inside the PCM can wear out over time. 4. Water damage or corrosion in PCM wiring. Moisture can affect PCM circuits. 5. Loose or damaged PCM connectors. Poor connections can trigger memory errors. How to fix P0605? Step 1. Scan the car using an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0605 code and look for additional errors. Step 2. Inspect PCM wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged connections. Step 3. Check battery and alternator output. The battery should be 12.6V plus when off and 14V plus when running. Step 4. Reset the PCM. Disconnect the battery for 15-30 minutes, then reconnect and see if the error clears. Step 5. Update or reflash the PCM software. If the software is corrupted, a dealer or mechanic can reinstall it. Step 6. Replace the PCM if necessary. If the ROM is permanently damaged, the PCM must be replaced. Final words. Ignoring P0605 can lead to engine malfunctions, poor fuel economy, and even complete failure to start. Fixing this error ensures your car runs smoothly and avoids costly repairs. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0464, Fuel Level Sensor Circuit Intermittent. P0465, Purge Flow, Sensor Circuit Malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.